So today we're going to be making some pecan smoked pork ribs, and we're going to be using the Brinkmann smoking grill today. We've got some pecan chips smoking right now. Total time on these is about 6 hours. And I've got some dry rub I'm going to put on the pork before it goes on the grill. So we're just getting the coals ready right now. I don't have a charcoal starter, so call me old-fashioned. So today, because of the quantity of meat I have going, I'm going to be rocking both racks. I'm going to put these bigger ones on the bottom and the smaller boneless ones on the top rack. Gotta love that sound of grilling meat. Put that guy over there. Move that down. Top rack on. This is good too, because if anyone likes more well done stuff, or they're worried about the cook, you know, even though you check the temperature, you can pretty much guarantee that these guys are going to be done in 6 hours. Alright, so there they are. Let's get smoking. So, we've got these pecan chips here, and they've been soaking for about 30 minutes while I've gotten everything else ready. And we're just gonna throw a few handfuls in there. Try and get them evenly distributed. But it's not as easy as it seems. So get that closed up. It's already smoking pretty good. So we'll let this go for probably 3 or 4 hours, and then we'll check on them, re-up the charcoal, go from there. Yeah, that already smells amazing, so I think it's going to be pretty good today. So we're right about at 3 hours. I'm going to take it off, refresh the coals on here, check on how they're doing. Yeah, they're looking good. Pretty good bark on them. You can tell they're still moist, still juice coming out of them. Looking good. So I've got everything on the top rack now, coated everything in some barbecue sauce just to help lock in some more moisture. Give them another 2.5 hours probably, and they'll be good to go.